Hiya crafters, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I have some mid-month inspiration to share with you. Now this is a fabulous new gingerbread house stencil. This is on sale for the first week only, and you can use my coupon AmyFan10 on top of it for the biggest savings. So to start, I'm working on some craft paper from Hero Hues, and I'm just using some brown ink and doing some simple ink blending through that inner portion. Now you'll see in a moment I'm actually just going to shift the layer downward and then apply that detailed portion of the stencil. Now you could do this many different ways, but I knew I wanted it to look like a gingerbread cookie with obviously the brown cookie base and then the white sort of frosting. Now I don't typically have the patience for pastes and things like that, but that you could absolutely easily do with the stencil. Maybe you could do some of that snowy puffy kind that balloons up, or maybe a paste with some glitter to give it a shimmery look. But in my case, I wanted to use a white acrylic marker. This is from an acrylic marker set from 𝘠𝘄𝘄𝘄, but use whatever you have. Maybe you have a Posca, maybe you have an �altanu, or any number of white acrylic markers. So I'm just outlining, I'm not even filling it in. I'm just getting the shape so that I can remove the stencil and then fill it in the rest of the way to give it that fun gingerbread frosting look. So this is a fun, easy way to use the stencil, but like I said, you could absolutely use a paste and do it that way as well. So I'm just going to fill this in, put the card together, and that's really all there is to it. So if you want to check this out, I cut it down with a cool scalloped edge die. I'll link everything that's available in the video description box below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye.